In this video, we will walk through P2P setup from master panel to the POS app. P2P or peer-to-peer allows multiple POS devices to connect within the same network, where one device acts as the server to receive payments and another acts as the client for ordering. Start from the dashboard, go to the sidebar, and navigate to Settings POS System. You will be brought to the counter and terminal section. First, select the branch where you want to set up P2P. Click Add Counter to create the first counter. Enter a counter code, set the type as counter, and choose P2P server as the P2P mode. This counter will be used to receive payments. Next, click Add Counter again to create the second counter. Enter the counter code, set the type as order station, and choose P2P client as the P2P mode. This device will act as the ordering terminal. At least 2 counters are required for P2P to work, 1 server and 1 client. Once the counters are created, the P2P setup in master panel is completed. Now, proceed to the POS app. Log into the POS app and select the correct branch. First, log in using the P2P server counter. After logging in, make sure both devices are connected to the same network, for example both using 4G or both using 5G, to avoid IP mismatch issues. Next, go to Data Sync and look for P2P, tap Upload to sync the P2P data. Restart the app and log in again. Now, proceed to the P2P client device. Log into the POS app and select the correct branch. Choose P2P client for order station. Then, go to Data Sync P2P to check the connection. If the P2P connection fails, check the IP address displayed for both the server and client. In this example, the connection fails because the IP addresses do not match. To resolve this, go back to Master Panel, locate the 2 counters you created earlier, and update the IP address with the correct one. After saving the changes, return to the POS app, go to Counter and Outlet, and click the Download button at the top right to download the updated counter and outlet data. Once the data is updated, go back to Data Sync P2P. You can now see that the P2P connection is successful. Besides manually changing the IP address or port, there is another simple method. After the server counter uploads its P2P settings, restart the client device. Once the client logs in again, it will automatically retrieve the server IP. If you encounter P2P connection issues, here are a few things to check. First, make sure all devices are on the same network, such as all 4G or all 5G. Restart the counter if needed. Second, ensure the server counter has uploaded its P2P settings. Lastly, restart all client devices so they can retrieve the latest server information. And that's how you set up and troubleshoot P2P in the POS system.